The latest contenders in the foldable phone market are come from Vivo in the form of X Fold2 and X Flip. The second generation horizontal folding phone from Vivo brings improvements across the board with reworked hinge mechanism, the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, new cameras and 120-watt wired fast charging. X Fold2 brings an 8.03-inch E6 AMOLED display with a resolution of 2160 x 1916 pixel resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The panel brings a 4:3.55 aspect ratio and a new droplet-style hinge, which makes it both lighter and durable compared to the first generation X Fold and X Fold Plus. You get a 6.53-inch AMOLED cover screen with a resolution of 2520 x 1080 pixel resolution with 120Hz refresh rate and a traditional 21:9 aspect ratio. Both panels feature ultrasonic scanners and a 16 megapixel front camera housed in the punch hole cutouts. In terms of dimensions, it is 1.5 millimeters slimmer and over 30 grams lighter. X Fold2 incorporates a triple camera on the back with a 50 megapixel main OIS enabled Zeiss T coating camera with 12 megapixel ultrawide and 12 megapixel 2x portrait lens that also offers 20x digital zoom. The camera system is supported by Vivo's self-developed V2 imaging chip with touts, improved HDR in stills and video and better noise reduction. X Fold2 can record up to 8K 30 frames per second video and features a Zeiss Cinematic mode. The foldable boots Android 13 based OriginOS 3 on top with several improvements for large screen that includes taskbar for easy multitasking, a remote PC control feature and adaptable UI in certain apps when you prop up the hinge. It has a 4800 mAh battery with 120 watt wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging. It comes in two trims. One is the 12/256GB version priced at $1,308 and 12/512GB version which is $1,453. In and whole, it is a much better phone than Z Fold 4. Hope they launch it outside. They also launched a clamshell phone which is a X Flip, which brings a spacious 3-inch AMOLED cover display that can be used for everything from texting to Mac navigation using social media apps. They are working with app developers to optimize the app for the cover screen so that users can use most of the app without opening the internal screen. The main screen is a 6.74-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with Full HD plus resolution 120Hz refresh rate. It features a water drop hinge mechanism which should be ideal with the infamous crease seen on most folding phone. X Flip brings a 32 megapixel front camera and a side mounted fingerprint scanner. It has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset with 12GB 512GB storage with same 50 megapixel main camera with 12 megapixel ultrawide. You can prop it on a table and adjust the hinge to desired location for hand-free selfies. There's a 50 megapixel front camera for even better details. It has a 4400 mAh battery with 44 watt fast charging with OriginOS 3 based on Android 13. It comes at the starting price of $872 for 12/256GB and goes up to $973 for a 12/512GB version.